You cannot touch the Quran without wudu. This verse of the Quran says, in a nutshell I'll say, it says that we have revealed the Quran and none shall touch the Quran except those who are pure. Generally, if someone is in wudu and touches the Quran, it is preferable, it is mustahab. It's not a fard. Those scholars differ. There's no verse in the Quran or hadith which says that wudu is compulsory for touching the Quran. Wudu is compulsory for offering salah. And it was the system of the Prophet. He preferred being in wudu always. So it's not a fard. It's not a requirement you should be in wudu, but it is preferable. There's no verse in the Quran, the hadith, we say it is fard. Hope that answers the question. You cannot touch the Quran without wudu. This verse of the Quran says, in a nutshell I'll say, it says that we have revealed the Quran and none shall touch the Quran except those who are pure. Generally, if someone is in wudu and touches the Quran, it is